Well, boys and girls, I'm back at the house. We have the truck. It's hot as anything. It is like 107 today. So hot. I was able to get it here in the driveway. So we have the truck. Right now I've just got the one machine in there. As you can see way back that way, that's the H2D. It does have wheels on it, but it doesn't like to roll up this ramp with these notches in here like this. So had to take it off the base, put the base up here, printer back on the base, and then push it in. And as you can see, it's wrapped in one of those moving blankets. I'm gonna use plastic wrap like cellophane around there to it holds that blanket in place. That'll provide like a little bit of bump protection. And then I'm gonna use bungee cords and or rope to go around the stiles on the side of the truck and just tie the printers to that. So I'm gonna pause here. We're gonna put a few more in, and then I'll make sure to get a video to show you guys what I'm talking about. It's really hot, but I changed the plan. Let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so these are my racks I normally have my printers on. And I was like, well, I can get more in here instead of just floor loading everything across the bottom. This way I can stack some of the smaller ones up top and then use the grates and the edges and all that kind of stuff to secure them to the rack. For the rack itself, though, I have zip tied some pretty heavy duty zip ties to these rails here, and then more in the front, and then some throughout the middle to keep the rack in place. I've got another one over here. And so my idea is put all my big heavy printers on the bottom, right? So this is the thick V2.4. This one is the Inertia Cube. That one is the Zerbo ZL Cube. And then this is my Trident Doom 350. And then that's the H2D that you saw earlier. So we're gonna have to figure that guy out. But I've got more room down here for some other big stuff. So I'm gonna go get that and get a little further. But this is where we are so far. I wanted to show you what I do to the printers before I cover them with a blanket. So this is that cellophane stuff. You can find it in a big roll like this for big printers, or smaller sizes for other ones. But take the panels. If you have any extra panels, just put them on top and you can wrap those together. And then on the inside, you can kind of see back here, I just used a zip tie around the belts to pinch the belts together on both sides, and that holds the tool head in place. I also put the bed all the way at the bottom, so I don't have to worry about cantilever or anything like that. If you have extra boxes for parts and whatnot, you can put those in there. I just have those kind of wrapped and taped together. And then, yeah, once we put that in the truck, it'll be good to go, covered with a blanket and a bungee cord around it. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, it's a new day. It's still a little bit dark out. I worked into the night last night and forgot to get you a video. It's going to be a little bit hard to see. Try to get something else later as it becomes more light. There's just going to be more crap in here though. But you can kind of see how I have these packed in here. We looked at the shelving yesterday, both sides. Nothing up top because it doesn't make any sense at all. Any side-to-side movement would knock that down, so I would need a good way to secure things up there, and I just don't have a good plan for that. The bigger machines, so again, H2D, Rat Rig, the S1, and my Panda Den is just kind of sitting on the floor. They have feet and things like that we can adjust, and then I have like a ratchet strap holding them in place from side to side, kind of keeping everything up towards the front of the truck. And then behind that, we have the workbench, and then over here, the toolbox, which is covered in packing material. But kind of back out and show you what we're working with. Hope to get you a better picture when there's more light, but we'll see how the trip goes. And then obviously, last minute things here on the floor, but that's basically it. I tried to get everything in so where it can't move, and as long as things don't move too much, we should be fine. We'll find out in a few days.